Demo trade your way to success. Now, let's discuss an important topic for our Forex journey, demo trading. What exactly is demo trading, you ask? It's essentially a free practice round. It is offered by most Forex brokers. Although it's not the genuine thing, it's fairly similar. You may ask why they offer it away for free. Since they want you to become comfortable with their trading platform, enjoy some fun trading without having to risk any money, and maybe even become so supportive of them that you will use real money. Therefore, this sample account functions as a secure play area. Without losing any money, you can experiment with your techniques, understand how Forex trading operates, and make mistakes. You read correctly. There are no risks. The golden rule is to demo trade until you have a reliable and successful system in place. Until then, don't even consider using real money. I'll say it again, practice trading until you feel comfortable and prepared. It is similar to practicing your dancing movements before taking the floor. Don't lose your money. Declaration. Let's discuss how to avoid losing our money. Say, I'll practice with fake money until I'm good at it, with your hands on your heart. Say, I'm a patient and smart Forex trader, while placing a hand on your head. The guideline is as follows. Don't utilize actual money unless you're regularly earning virtual money. Just be aware that trading with real money is more difficult if you can't wait. Inhale deeply. Try to practice for a month if you can. Is that something you can do? If you're in a hurry, think about donating that cash to your mother or worthy charity. She'll be grateful for it. It's possible that some of you will still jump in without any practice. Focus on just one key currency pair. When you first start trading, stick to a single currency pair. The main ones are good picks since they are easier to track, have tighter spreads, and are less likely to fall off course. Especially in the beginning, you should concentrate on improving your trading skills and developing excellent routines. It's similar to learning to ride a bike. Start with one and progress to more as you gain confidence. As you go, you'll need to observe how the market responds in various conditions. This allows you to change your strategies and techniques properly. Currency trading can be successful, but it is not without its difficulties. It requires hard work, devotion, a little luck, and a lot of patience and excellent judgment, exactly like any other talent in life. Well, that's a wrap for today's video, but guess what? Our journey doesn't stop here. Make sure you're subscribed to catch all the latest trading tips and strategies. We've got some awesome free courses and killer knowledge-based videos waiting for you. And hey, it won't cost you a dime. But trust me, it's gonna make a world of difference in your trading game. And hey, do us a solid, smash that like button. And if you think this could help out your trading buddies, hit that share button too. Your support means the world to us. Tell us what topic next you want us to cover, and we can't wait to catch you in our next video. Until then, happy trading.